Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. We are in 5th week, Brahamand. Today in this lesson 31, we are focusing upon 13 layers format of manifestation of solar universe. The uppermost layer is 8 directional frame. It is east, west, north, south, east, south, northwest, west, east, and east, north. This is the uppermost layer, and its summation value is 222. Now see, when we glimpse the next layer, it is the layer which is within the gaps of these 8 directional frame. So the format will start proceeding as it is. A difference value is 9, here is 21, here is 18, here again is 9, 11, 12, and this makes 18, and this makes 14. So we can start drawing a table. First we write the values starting from Agni Kon. This from here, because this is the progression line along which we reach. So like this, for the first fold we write the numbers starting with 30, then we go to next 21, 42, 24, 33, 22, 34, 16. These are the 8 numbers. This is 8 directional frame. The next layer means going with the gaps. So first gap 30 and 21 is 9, and here the gap is 21, and like that we start writing the gap values, and these gap values when we'll reach at the end means we will have from the 30 at the beginning, it is the 40. Here the summation value is 222, and here's value is 112. For the third layer, we now again reach at the gap values. So 21, 9 is 12, and so we'll continue like this. It is 3, 9, 2, 1, 6, 4, and 14, and 9 is 5. The summation value here is 42. The fourth layer will be Again the difference value, it is 9, it is 6, 7, 1, 5, 2, 1 and 5 and 12. Here is 7. The summation value here is going to be 38. The fifth fold will be again difference value 3, it is 1, it is 6, here is 4, here is 3, 1, 6 and 7 minus 9 is going to be 2. This is going to be 26. The sixth fold is difference value 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 4 and 2 minus 3 is 1. The seventh fold value will be, this will be 3, here again is 3, here is 1, here is 1, here is 3, here is 1, here is 3 and here again is 1. The eighth fold will be 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. The value here 7, 9, 10 and this is going to be 22 and here the value is going to be 16. Now eighth is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. The ninth fold will be, this will be 2, again 2, again 2, here is 0, 0, 0, 0 and here again is 2. It is going to be 8. The 10th fold is 2 minus 2 is 0, this is 0, this is 2, here is 0, here is 0, here is 0, here is 2 and here is 2. It is going to be 6. The 11th fold will be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0 and 2. The 12th fold will be 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2 and 2. The 13th fold will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So see that we have reached with the 13th fold as this. All values are 2. Beyond that, if we want, then it will naturally take us to zeros at whole. So the complete manifestation has been there up till these 13 layers. This manifestation is the complete manifestation of our solar universe. See the beauty. It is that we are having Sun, Surya, and Surya is the formulation which is of TC value 13. Further, we know that 13 is parallel with the 13 geometries of a 6 space. Further, we know that these geometries are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and +6. Now, these 13 geometries are having their representative formats, layers, and these format layers are as is being tabulated here. We begin with the 8 directional frame of value 222, then it is 112, then it is 42, followed by 38, 22, and 16. These are the 7 layers. The uppermost 7 layers are as these are. These layers as these are, and these being of the values as being mentioned here. Now these will help us to reach at the Sthapatya thereof. So 222 is equal to 37 into 6, and 37 is 18 plus 19, and 18 is hypercube 5 full unit, and here is hypercube 5 half unit. It means it is the Sthapatya of the origin of a 5 space. Here is H5 and it is H5. So see the uppermost 8 directional format of the flow of the transcendental content from the origin of 6 space through 7 layers, 7 color spectra, or the flow streams of the transcendental content. That means of 5 space content is flowing, and this 5 space content is manifesting within the creator's space, which has 8 cosmic windows. And from this cosmic window, this transcendental content, which is 5 space content with 3 directional frame, enters and manifests at the origin seat. It is here where the 8 directional format has manifested as the origin of the origin. It is this phenomenon which has been comprehended by Vedic mathematics, and Vedic mathematics has become a sunlight mathematics. We shall sit comfortably and try to glimpse sunlight mathematics, a mathematics of a Surya Rashmi, ray of the sun. And Surya Rashmi is of transcendental code value 13 plus 17 is equal to 30, which is hypercube 8, represented a body of 8 space, and it is the value of again cone, northeast angle, northeast direction of our 8 directional frame. Therefore, all yajanas are taking to again cone. So we begin with our Purusharth 33 from Ishan cone, and it takes to the again cone. See now, all yajanas means yajna, which is of TC value 13. This goes to the again TC value 14. There are 13 gaps of discrete range of 14 points. There are 13 gaps. Let us have a pause. Adi Valmiki Ramayana well preserves that Sita, TC value 13, was put under the cover of again 14, and then with the yajna it was again brought to a position in uncovered state, and this thing as a ram TC value 15 and Sita TC value 13 together as 28 is Brahm. The gap value is 14. It is again, and it is this stage which we have seen in the manifested eighth fold, first of 222, the uppermost, followed by 112, and like that we reached up till 13, which has become 2 at the entire place, and next phase and stage, the 14 becomes 0. See the sunlight mathematics. This sunlight mathematics, this Vedic mathematics is to be comprehended. We have to be parallel with it. And 1 to 13 folds as -6 to 0 and 0 to +6. These folds we will see takes us to value 478, means 222 plus 112 and so on of the upper layers, and then below comes to be 56, and this together makes 534. See, 534 is 519 plus 15. See, it is Ram and it is Swara and it is the direction frame of 5 space. So within creators a space, 4 space, and this 4 space is having transcendental origin. It is hypercube 4, 2, 3, 4 and 5, making it 14. And here is the value dimensional frame is 15. 3 into 5, 15. With this directional frame within a creator's space, this thing is happening. The manifestation of this Surya 13, Rashmi 17, together 30 as H8. Now in a creator's space, through the window, how many are the windows? There are 8 cosmic windows. These 8 cosmic windows are making a 8 directional format or 8 directional frame. And this 8 directional frame has the effect of entering the creator space at its transcendental origin, which is of value 15, and The 8 directional values, the 8 folds of transcendental content flow from orb of the sun, through its 7 rays. There is a flow of a transcendental content within the creator's space through his cosmic windows. And there are 13 cosmic windows. There are 13 manifestation layers, as 5 space within 4 space is giving reorganization for 4 space as 4, 5 and 4, means the 4 space is split into 2 distinct folds. Now this all is happening within the creator's space, and then hypercube 4, this domain itself, as 2, 3, 4 and 5, making it 14, takes us to hypercube 14, and the 14th layer, as we have seen, is having 0 value for its all the 8 inflows from the windows. So it is 0 value, and this 0 value is, we know, is the reach from 6 space to dimension, to a dimension of a dimension, and head dimension of a dimension of the creator's space. One shall sit comfortably, one shall chase it step by step, and it is this chase of the steps which will help us appreciate the total value 534 as it is, will take us to that it is when 21 is the format of the Sthapatya miring rod for the swapping of the 6 space domain. So this format of a Sthapatya miring rod takes us to 555, and it is our Brahma Sutra, it is Vedant. The essence of Vedas is Brahma Sutra, and Brahma Sutra is a scripture of 555 shlokas. Further, 534 is equal to 519 plus 15, and 515 is parallel with the total letters of all the 16 sutras and 13 Ganita sutras. As such, Vedic mathematics is Vedanta, and it is the happening within a Surya Rashmi. So within rays of the sun is all this happening. Vedas as Gyan, Vedas as sciences. So Vedic mathematics, science and technology, with Vedic Ganita Sutras as base, or the mathematics, science and technology of Surya Rashmi, or a sunlight. Vedic mathematics is the mathematics of a sunlight. This is the achievement. This is the achievement of our ancestors. This is Vedas. Sadhakas, sit comfortably and have blissful comprehension of the attainment of our ancestors. Thank you very much.